All right, wager.
Cookies and a massage.
Cookies and a massage. If she can get all the PC parts correct.
I'm gonna say it's like a memory card. A CPU.
Oh, nice. Okay. CPU is done.
A cooling fan.
Close enough. CPU cooler.
Okay. Okay. A graphics card.
What?
A graphics card.
There you go. Nice. Nice, nice, nice.
You only search for them on eBay every single day.
That's true. It's true.
A hard drive.
Damn, close. It says on there, solid state drive, but close enough.
I've seen so many of these in the drawer.
I have about 1 million sticks of RAM.
It's a RAM.
Gave it away. All right, 2 pieces left. What is this?
A motherboard.
No, it's just a box. It's just a box.
Got him! Got him!
But what is this?
A motherboard.
What?
A motherboard.
Motherboard is correct.
Anything else?
Final piece. I'm about to have to bake cookies.
I know that.
Like, what does it look like it has to do?
Oh, a power supply.
Power supply. Well. So now that you know what the parts are, what are we going to start with here? What would make the most sense?
A motherboard.
The motherboard. Okay. Slap her on there. We have our CPU. Okay. Undo the little hinge there. We're going with an old AMD system here. Now you need to, there's thermal paste all over this, but you see that little triangle there? Mm-hmm. This little gold triangle there matches up with that. Set it in there nice and gently. Just hold on to the top, yeah. Nice, put the arm down. Beautiful. Good luck trying to figure that out. This old style was absolutely terrible. I'm not actually gonna put any thermal paste on there because it does not matter and I don't care. All right, now we need to power the fan. So to power the fan on this motherboard, you can see we have CPU fan and channel fan. So which one do you think it's gonna go to?
CPU fan.
Bam. Okay, what do you wanna go with next?
I feel like these, which are the Rams.
The Rams, baby, the Dodge Ram. Do you like to drink beer?
Isn't that what you yeah.
Then you need to drive a Dodge Ram.
So they go in here.
So match up the slot. The notch, you see the notch? Click it down. It's kind of scary, like how much of a natural she is, a little bit.
This one doesn't really.
Kind of do them like evenly. Is the notches matched up? You see the notch there? That's why. You see that? So flip it around. Aha!
They do the same thing?
8 gigabytes, yes, the same thing, of DDR3 Ballistic Sport. The good stuff from back in the day.
Retro.
This is a little bit of a retro build, but this CPU was sick. All right, show off what do we got here?
So we placed the CPU in here with the
Hold it up.
CPU cream. CPU fan.
A little bit.
We placed 2 Rams in here.
Two Dodge
We're
Rams.
at the 2500 power now.
Okay.
GPU.
Okay. It goes in the PCIe 16 slot.
Is this like making you cringe?
No, not at all. This is actually, I'm quite turned on right now.
Okay, but I feel like there's no...
No, that's where you plug your monitor stuff into. So you're looking for the gold part is where you click it in on the GPU.
Oh.
Flip. Correct. A little bit more. Oh, baby. Oh, baby.
I feel like I'm gonna break it.
No, you gotta push kind of hard for this. All right. We have 2 pieces left. 2 pieces until the PC is basically built. I could try and power it on. Actually, should I grab a monitor and we should try to actually see if this thing boots up?
Yeah.
Because we gotta put thermal paste back on it. So we didn't put thermal paste on it, but I didn't think we'd actually try to boot it up, but we might as well actually try to boot it up.
Solid state drive.
Solid state drive. All right. So there's a power connector as well, but this is just for data. It kind of rhymes with what I just said on where it connects on the board.
Data?
Okay, now look at the board. Look at the... You see it? SATA. That's what it's called, SATA connector. This is the SATA connector. So you can have up to 4 hard drives on this particular motherboard.
And
Boom.
Just hangs off.
And you just set that off to the side. So this is, they call me, this is what they call me. One person called me, you know, I said I look like Medusa, so they called me Techdusa. All right, so there's a lot of different connectors on here. All we need is, well, 2 main important ones. The 24-pin power connector. I'm guessing you can guess. This you have to push very hard. Okay, now we need to power the CPU, so we need a little 4-pin. See if you can figure it out actually though, because it's, there you go. Okay, now our GPU has what? A 6-pin connector?
Pin.
So we can take our 6-pin.
Don't mind the cable management.
Yeah, cable management, you know me, A+ always. That's an A. And then we need to power up our hard drive. So, what would you think? Perfect. PC is built. Now, I'm gonna go grab the monitor. We're gonna try to power this on. All right, we need thermal paste. So, here you go.
Okay.
Put a dab the size of, I don't know, go for it.
Where?
You gotta put it on here, okay. So, you're gonna wanna put a little dab on the IHS. So like just push it and I'll tell you when. A little more. A little more. A little more. No, I'm just kidding. That's fine. That's fine. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Okay. Good. Everything is hooked up. We got our mouse, keyboard, thermal paste is on, correct?
Yep.
Monitor, is the monitor on? Looks like it. The old trusty Asus. Okay. So this isn't really gonna boot up. I mean, it will, but I don't have an operating system for this already onto the SSD, and I'm not gonna install an operating system because that's just pretty stupid. I'm never gonna use this. This is an old piece, my first ever gaming PC. So we also don't have it in a case, so there's no power button. So we're gonna jump it using a screwdriver. And if you touch the wrong pins, this could literally all go up in flames.
Why are you trusting me to do it then?
No pressure. So the top two, you're gonna wanna touch together at the same time. It's actually, nothing's gonna happen if it's fine. Keyboard lit up. Nice RGB effects. Beautiful. Now we can short out the pins, and if this thing boots up, yeah.
That means I did it all right.
I guess I'm a great teacher.
Please don't take all the credit.
All right, it's good. It's on. Fans are spinning. We got the beep. Oh man. Oh, baby. Look at that AMD FX 8320 8-core processor.
I'm excited.
3.5 gigahertz. We have DDR3 1600 megahertz. What do we have? 120 gigabyte SSD it sees. Yeah, it's not gonna boot because we don't have an OS on this, but if I put an operating system on there, it would work. It doesn't have a, pretty much just want us to select a boot drive. So you did it.
What a great teacher.
Would you consider building another PC?
I would.
Rate this experience on a scale of 1 to 10.
I would say a 9.5 only due to the fact that you didn't have everything ready for me.
Yeah, it was extremely poor planning. Any questions?
When can we do it again?
Oh my God, all right.